Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how I fix my refrigerator displaying an error code FTH. This is my French door refrigerator. It is about 7 years old. Recently an error code FTH was displayed on the screen which I did not pay attention to. At first I was under the impression that this could be an ice maker malfunction, as no ice was dispensing when I tried. Few days after, I noticed no cold air inside the refrigerator and making loud noise when it's run. I downloaded manual from LG website and noticed code FTH is for defrost sensor issue. You can find the model number inside your refrigerator on the sticker. I located the defrost sensor inside the bottom section of my refrigerator. I had to take both drawers out to remove inside back cover and then swap out the defrost sensor. I noticed lots of ice was built up inside. I unplugged the refrigerator and had to leave 24 hours to clear out all this frost. I googled the part number and found the cheaper defrost sensor at partsdoctor.com website. I waited 3 business days for the part to arrive. It took me about a couple of hours to replace the part. Since then, it's working fine. Thank you for watching.